Do you want to use passwordless UX in Microsoft account for faster sign-in? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. The passwordless mode offers a convenient way to sign into a user account. When you activate this module, you can sign into your account using a method other than entering your account password. This method is immune to cyber attacks such as brute force attack. Hence, passwordless sign-in is more secure than a traditional password sign-in method. This video shows how to use new passwordless UX in Microsoft account for faster sign-in. Let's get started. Method 1. By using the Microsoft Authenticator app. The Microsoft Authenticator app offers more secure and passwordless sign-in to a Microsoft account. When you add this method to your account, Microsoft makes it the default way to sign in. Visit account.microsoft.com and enter your email address to sign in. After that, Microsoft will ask you to send a notification on your phone that has the Microsoft Authenticator app installed. Click Send Notification. Now you should see a code on your screen. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone, select the same code in the app and select Approve. After that, you will be signed into your Microsoft account on your PC. Method 2. Sign in by using the passkey. Passkeys are a more secure way to sign into a Microsoft account. You can create multiple passkeys for your Microsoft account, including a PIN, a fingerprint, etc. If you have not deleted the password, you will see the interface to enter your password to sign into your Microsoft account. You can skip it by clicking the Other Ways to Sign In link. After that, you will see all other ways to sign in to your Microsoft account. Select the Passkeys option. Now you can follow this guide to know how to use any of the passkeys to sign into your Microsoft account. Enabling the passwordless sign-in option. You can convert your account into a passwordless account by enabling the passwordless sign-in method. However, you should be careful while enabling this method as it permanently deletes your account password. This can put you in trouble if your account has the only Microsoft Authenticator method to sign in. This is because if you uninstall the Microsoft Authenticator app from your phone by mistake, you cannot sign into your account. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.